Hey everyone, it's Ryan back at you with the Robinhood portfolio update. This is a follow-up video. Yesterday I dropped my fractional share portfolio using public. Today I'm showing my main port about a 60% return, $7,000 on this Robinhood portfolio. So 2020 has been a pretty good year so far. Looking to keep it going. As promised, I would talk a little bit about my strategy before we go through all of my positions. Most of my strategy is used running the wheel strategy, which is an option selling strategy using selling option premium to take in credit, and that way you can make money. And also, it's relatively low risk as long as you're selling premium on stocks that you don't mind trading and owning. So I usually sell premium on high quality names. We have AT&T, Altria, General Electric, I suppose. But usually stocks like that, Realty Income. I have some gold right now. So usually I will sell a put on one of these stocks, take in a credit. After I sell the put, it will either expire and I keep the credit, or I'll get assigned and then I can sell calls, and that's why it's called the wheel, because you just keep going through that. So using that method, we've got about a 60% return. Looking at the individual positions, first I will talk about all the positions that I have 100 or more shares of. Those are stocks that are the majority of my portfolio, and these are also stocks that I'm running the wheel strategy on. So when you trade and you sell options, it represents 100 shares. So I have 100 shares of AT&T, FUN, which is Cedar Fair, MJ, BTI, this is a tobacco company, Altria, this is also a tobacco company, General Electric, I have 300 shares. I'm selling 3 calls every single week. I have 300 shares of SQQQ. This is a hedge. This is a short NASDAQ ETF. Kinder Morgan, SH. This is also a short ETF. Then I have a few small shares of Walmart. I have some VXX and TVIX as a hedge. I have some Realty Income, which I've been trading lately. I sold at 66 yesterday and took in a nice profit on Realty Income. I've also been picking up some Pfizer. I like Pfizer here. I've been buying around $33 per share. It's came down a pretty nice way on the 1-year chart, and even on the 5-year chart, it looks like a significant low possibly, but I'm definitely interested in getting 100 shares of Pfizer. 100 shares of gold, which I just picked up yesterday. This is just a trade that it doesn't really move that much, but I was able to pick the shares up, sell some premium, and take in about a $50 credit, which I've already made some profit on. So I took in the credit, and it's like a guaranteed low risk kind of trade. Then I have some Simon Property Group and Kroger. All of these last 3 companies I picked up today. So just kind of some stragglers, random shares, things that I'm accumulating. So then I have my options contracts. Most of these are just sold. So you see a lot of these, they say one sell next to the name. I sold most of these contracts. So that's the main thing with my strategy here, is that I'm selling a lot of contracts. Most of you know that the majority of options expire worthless. So I'm taking advantage of that by selling the options, hoping that they expire worthless. And if they don't, I have plans just in case things don't go my way. I know my risks, and it's been paying off very well. So pretty much I have all sold calls and puts, but I also have a debit spread on T-Mobile, an SQQQ call. So I have a decent amount of hedges in my portfolio currently, which has played into my return. I've been able to make money when the market goes down and when the market goes up. That's how I've gotten the $7,000 return. But all in all, that's the portfolio. The selling premium strategy has been working. I've been getting in and out at the right times, and I've been telling you guys, when I'm short, when I'm hedging, things like that. So if you like the video, smash that thumbs up button. Comment below 3 stocks that you're buying the most of at these levels, the 3 strongest buys right now in the market for you. Subscribe to the channel, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.